So this is question number 2, Kcse Mathematics Paper 1, 2025. We are told Baraka earns 240 Kenya shillings per hour working at a supermarket. The employer changed the amount earned per hour in the ratio 8:7. Determine the amount that Baraka would earn in 10.5 hours at the new rate. So this question is from ratio. We have 8:7. When we have 8:7, it means 8:7 the salary was increased from the ratio of 7 to 8. So increase. And therefore, to be able to get the salary earned or wage earned salary, it will be, the salary was 240 and it was increased in the ratio 8:7, and now he worked for 10.5 hours, so 10.5 hours. So this means that we have 240, we multiply by 8/7, and we multiply, we write 10.5 in the improper fraction, so 2 times 10 is 20 plus 1, that will give us 21, divide by 2. So we can simplify. By the 7 we get 1, by 7 we get 3, by 2 you get 1, by 2 you get 4. So this means that we multiply, using your calculator, you multiply 240 times 4 times 12, and when you do that, you get 2,000, or rather we write Kenyan shillings, 2,880. That is the amount that you earn at the new rate. So that is how we do that. Alternatively, you can say new versus old. So you can say the new is 8 and the old is 7. So if the old is 240, what will be our new earnings of Baraka? So you can say you can cross multiply. This is you can say this is equals to, you cross multiply like that, and that means that you'll be able to get x is equals to 7x is equals to 8 multiplied by 240. So you say x is equals to 8. That is, you divide by 7, that will give you 8/7 multiplied by 240. And then here you say for 10.5 hours, then you can say, you just multiply, it means that you earn 8/7 multiplied by 240 multiplied by 10/10.5, which will give you 21/2, and that's the same answer. That will give you the same answer like we have obtained here. So that's how it works. You should understand how to work with ratios, which I think you learned in Form 1. And this is also another simple question which you can't afford to fail, because this is where you get marks. You are able to get marks before you move to other questions in section B. Before I wind up, I would like you to join our WhatsApp group. In our WhatsApp group, you'll be able to get daily math questions and with solutions, revision of Kcse, questions from other topics that we have covered from Form 1 to Form 4. You have free live classes. You have online classes. If you have internet, you will be able to send you a link where you will be able to enjoy classes, mathematics classes. We have PDF notes, well-researched notes. We have marking scheme. We have predictions. We have voice explanation. and we will help you with your homework or any work that you are doing. If you are a private candidate, we will also be able to assist you. So you are all welcome.